Koramga juang chenro en naratil wadhi mbele gi weche manyien. Riwruok ma ong'ere kaka Latis Africa kotenre kod tend kaonti ya Migori ochako chenro mar siyo rawere kod wakeini e pith mar rech e kaonti no. Tend migawo mar pur e kaonti ya Migori Lucas Mosenda wacho ni chenro no mageto wakeini kod rawere pith mar rech dhi chiwo kony ne grube ma idhi sir. Apisa maduong' e migawo mar rech e kaonti ya Migori Georgia Chola kod Lilian Silani matiyo kod riwruok mar Latis Africa ojiwo wakeini kod rawere mondo mi bende odonj e pith mar rech kod rombe.
Very capital intensive.
I understand that farmers exist and have already been doing business. The question is, where are the youth and where are the women existing? What can we do to ensure they are also part of the value chain, ensuring that we are curbing the barriers which exist in this value chain or this value chain node, and ensuring that we are providing the right technical capacity, the right input access, and the right inputs, or even the right gears for this business to go forward.
Sani kaka nyocha watero cages enam through program mar ABDP wan gi cages kucha 25 osetere nam to cages go imiyo mana grube. Kamano bende pith mar rech e piny kaendi mag ponds ka ji waketo into groups so far. Koro grube duto me county government wa Migori The
key objective here is that they are joining us in our efforts to improve and increase our production of fish. They are going to target 3 main challenges that we have in this county. Challenge number 1, this project will specifically look out for where the youth and the women are. The second issue that this project is seeking to address is issues of markets and linkages.